What just happened? Can you stop like touching a car like this? What's the problem? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
अभी front video बना रहा हूँ.
Why are you laughing? Can you
तुम्हारा ब्लॉग खराब कर दूँ?
percent? Yeah? How will you do that?
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart, cause they're not gay.
For you and me both. Like,
That's it. That's all you wanted to do.
stop following me.
In Sakram, she actually looked like. तो भाई हम लेट हो चुके हैं कम से कम 1-1.5 घंटा. But someone said in the middle of the way that she wants a cocktail. So we came back to Delhi and now we're getting a cocktail in the middle of, I don't know, but
We're not even literally in one of the, like, the main areas. It's not even middle of nowhere. What? This Khan Market.
भाई देखो ये तो बकवास है, ठीक है. मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा भाई कि तुम कैसे कर सकते हो ये रास्ते के बीच में से तुम्हें मन कर जाता है. Yeah, you might want to pee when you're on the way, but why the fuck would you want to get a coffee? What is this weird urge, bro?
It's a hot day.
It's a hot day, so you would want a fucking lemonade.
Yeah, with some vodka in it.
मजेदार बात. इतना चलाने के बाद, इतनी गर्मी में तपने के बाद अब हमें एक ताज़ा खबर मिली है कि आज ड्राई डे है. Laugh.
So unfunny. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Quieres tú? You're gonna answer 10 questions about me on your thing, and I'll answer 10 about you on my thing, and whoever wins the points,
Yeah.
we eat the food of that choice on our way back.
No, we watch
No,
a movie.
no. अच्छा, okay.
So we'll do whatever the other person wins. ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम जीतोगे, जैसा तुम कहोगे मुझे वैसा करना पड़ेगा. Am I a beach person or a mountain person?
Mountain.
Neither.
That's not.
Neither.
That
Wrong.
doesn't count.
I have.
That doesn't count. Like you can't be.
It does.
You can't ask a question which the answer is neither to.
क्यों?
Like.
Multiple choice में आता है ना कि A, B.
तो तुमने मेरे को neither option क्यों नहीं दिया? We've decided that that question is disqualified. If you want somebody to answer the neither, then you have
Do I like driving a car or a bike?
car.
A car. You think that I like driving a car? Bro, when the fuck did I say that?
You said.
Oh, bro.
You said that if
I would always prefer biking over anything, bro. Triaksh, I think Triaksh, your brother would know better.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
He will know the answer.
don't
You
touch
want
me. No. Two.
Do I like iced tea more or lassi? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was very specific. Iced tea or lassi? What?
Lassi.
Wrong answer!
You're just. Yeah, I don't know.
Wrong
You know what? You know
answer.
what? You know what? I don't trust you. I don't trust you. So from now, get your other phone out. Get your other phone out. And before I answer, you're gonna write down your answer.
मेरे को बस एक चीज सच्चाई से जवाब दे रहा, झूठ मत बोलना. मैंने जिंदगी में कब तुम्हारे सामने लस्सी ऑर्डर करी हुई
तो एक दिन याद है तुम आए थे और
तुम्हें मैंने बताया था कि वो मैं क्यों लेके आया. एक दिन लस्सी लेके आया था वो इसलिए क्योंकि जब मैं कैब से आया था उस दिन तो वो चेंज नहीं थी, तो मुझे चेंज करवाने के लिए लस्सी खरीदनी पड़ी. और मैंने इसको आगे में स्टोरी भी बताई है कि मेरे को लस्सी खरीदनी पड़ी है.
विक्की भाई, आपको आइस टी ज्यादा पसंद है, आपको लस्सी ज्यादा पसंद है?
मुझे रोडी ज्यादा पसंद आया कि प्लेग्राउंड करना. अभी मैं आंसर लिख देता हूँ, but मैं आंसर यू राइट.
Yay!
Obviously.
First point.
I think even if I make it to any other show, bro, be it Big Boss, be it Splitsvilla, be it ASOS, any other show, bro, I would still pick Roadies any day.
Be it what?
Be it any show.
Be it what?
Be Beat any show.
What are the ones you said?
I said Big Boss. I said Splitsvilla, and
You
then I
said
said
what?
House of Splits. Continue कर. तो भाई 10,000 गेम्स हारने के बाद
हम दोनों सारी गेम्स हारे हैं वहाँ पे.
शोभिका ज़्यादातर गेम्स हारी है.
Firstly, I beat you in darts. Where are we?
हम हैं पाकिस्तान में.
अबे चुप कर पढ़ना नाम बस.
The fun land.
So we are here to win ourselves a teddy bear. I think I can win myself one. What do you think?
कि एक तो डार्ट वाली गेम खेलेंगे, एक ही बॉल वाली गेम खेलेंगे और ये वाली भी खेल लेंगे.
Okay. Where did that go? 2 points?
अरे पर ब्रो अब आइडिया हो जाएगा ना थोड़ा.
Yeah. 8? Wow. 0. Can I go next?
Yeah. चलो शोभिका वाली.
I feel like I'm not gonna be able to pull this off.
Make all that practice come into work, okay? No pressure. Whoa.
Same as you.
Yeah.
I would just want to do better than you.
It's
I want to do better than you.
चलो.
Oh, come on!
Yeah. So that was a 9. Next. This will be the deciding one.
How much was your total?
Chalo.
How much was your total?
You won from me.
Already?
Let's get us a teddy bear.
I feel like I'm gonna be really bad now.
Oh! कितने हुए?
A few moments ago.
शोभिका ज़्यादातर गेम्स हारी है.
Firstly, I beat you in darts. It's so creepy.
जाओ go talk to him, bro. Go talk to him,
No,
bro.
I don't want to.
Go.
I'm scared.
Bro, he's a good guy. See, he's a good guy. Go, come. He's not gonna hit you. Come. Say hi.
What's up?
Sit. Scan.
I'm getting a phone call.
White balls.
Why did you put my fingers in my mouth, bro? They're really.
I should have known that you were fond of white balls.
It's like wet.
That's what she said.
It's really sweet.
That's what she said.
It's got a bit of like
Texture to it.
गीलानेस. इसने कहीं गीला किया?
रसगुल्ले हैं छोटे से भाई.
इसने mini rasgulla. So what's the difference between this and a big rasgulla?
I think it's the size.
I hate your whole hand.
Eat.
Can you? Here's Himanshu Roadies. So your last name is Roadies?
Yeah. Season 19. That's my
Oh.
full name.
So your middle name is Roadies. Your first name is Himanshu. So your name is Himanshu. Your name is Himanshu Roadies Karamya Khan. That's his full legal name, girl. So if you plan to get married to him, your last name is going to be Roadies Karamya Khan. What are we doing?
Take 2.
What are we doing?
We're getting McDonald's.
We're getting McDonald's.
Yeah. एक मैकालो टिक्की दे देना, एक मैक पफ दे देना। And Shobika, what do you want?
A McChicken with no veggies.
एक मैक चिकन दे देना बिना वेजीज के। अरे काम करना।
Bro, किसी को सुन थोड़ी ना, ये तो क्या किसको बोल रहा है ये?
We can listen to it. आवाज विकी में जा रही है ना आवाज बाहर? शीशा नीचे नहीं है। आवाज आ रही थी मेरी बाहर? एक मैकालो टिक्की कर देना।
Himanshu, say something.
वो यही करते ना तुम 24 घंटे।
Whoa. That's kind of more how it's done. तक आ गया है।
Can you stop it?
Why? You're the one
Like a stalker.
You're the one who started vlogging, bro. So what do you mean stalker? You're in my house.
Why are you pressing 2? I have to eat the stuff.
Where do you have to get this?
क्योंकि मैं शिफ्ट हो रहा हूँ यहाँ पे तुम्हारे घर पे। To the vlog.
Hi. I mean, I'm.
Just say hello to the children that watch your child. Give them some advice.
No advice.
You have something to say about this guy who's been following me around for 2 days.
Yeah, you put things like this and then people will know that it's him only.
No, she can't put this in the video.
No, I
Yeah, she
can't.
put a story.
I know.
He put a story.
And then he put a story and I messaged him, you can record it, Shobika.
But dude, obviously you can make it out, bro. You're a mother.
Am I allergic to?
Milk.
I'm intolerant.
हाँ तो
I'm
that is.
allergic to soy.
But you literally told me that whenever you.
I'm literally drinking milk right now, but I'm gonna get the shits. That's a different
तो
thing.
फिर उसका मतलब क्या
But
होता
it
है?
means
शोभिता?
intolerant. Allergic is when you like die.